Hi, my name is Deirdre and I'm an engineer at Evervault. Today I'm going to show you how to encrypt a string and pass that string to a function and perform an operation on it. So the first thing you'll do is install Evervault. So I have it in a comment here. You'll just run pip install Evervault and then import it like I have on line 3. Next, we're going to initialize Evervault. So I'm just taking my API key here from an environment variable and passing it into evervault.init. Next, we're going to encrypt a string. So I have a name here, and I'm going to pass it into evervault.encrypt, and then print it out. So I'll run that for you now. And you can see the encrypted string is printed out over here on the right, and you'll recognize it as it starts with an EV prefix. Next, we're going to run a function. So I'm just going to uncomment that. We're going to run the function by calling evervault.run. The first parameter is going to be the name of a function. So this is one I've created previously in the Evervault dashboard. And we're also going to pass in an object. So here I've just passed in the name. Then when we get the response from the function, we're going to print it out. So I'll run that too. And you can see that we get a response here that says hello from a function. It seems you have 6 letters in your name. So you can see that this name was decrypted within the function and we were able to perform an operation on it, which in this case was counting the number of letters. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.